I'm Noah, and this is Like You, Mindfulness for Kids. Welcome to the last episode of our fall and winter season. I'm so glad you're here. On this episode, I'll be sharing a special recipe for making hot cocoa in your imagination. So listeners of all ages, find a place to listen where you feel comfortable and safe. Remember, you're always welcome to interact with this podcast by speaking up to answer my questions or by repeating affirmations aloud. Or if you prefer, you can just think your responses quietly in your mind. Now I'll start with a short and simple breathing exercise. We'll do more mindful breathing later in the episode, so for now I'll make this exercise short and sweet. So breathe in deep as I count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then breathe out slow as I count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, on the count of 3, let's all say, I like me. 1, 2, 3. I like me. I like you too. When the world feels dark and cold, you bring light and warmth every time you share your kindness. Now let's get started with a special recipe for mindful hot cocoa. I'll tell you all the steps, then we'll go through them one by one. First, melt the chocolate. Next, add some milk. Then, add a little sweetness. Heat it all up. Then cool it down to the perfect sippable temperature. For each of those steps, we'll do a short exercise that helps you tune into your body and your mind. So here we go. Step 1, melt the chocolate. Close your eyes and imagine you are a giant bar of chocolate. Imagine a warm feeling that starts at the top of your head. Then picture your chocolate melting from your head down to your toes as you relax each part of the body along the way. Start at your head. Relax your head and your neck as your chocolate melts. Next, your shoulders. Let them get loose and melty. Moving down, let your chest and your stomach relax as they melt. Same for your arms and your hands. Now let your legs relax as the chocolate melts all the way down to your feet. Now you're just a big, melty blob of chocolate, completely loose and relaxed. Step 2 is to add the milk. Since the milk will fill up your mug, I want you to imagine filling up your body. Puff your chest out, stretch your arms and legs out wide. Take up as much space as you can, filling all the space you can around you. Great job. You can relax now. It's time for step 3. Add a little sweetness. Did you know that pure chocolate or pure cocoa by itself is actually bitter and not sweet? Have you ever tasted something bitter? Most people don't love bitter flavors, just like most people don't love feeling bitter feelings. Have you ever felt a bitter feeling? what are some bitter feelings that you can think of? You may have said sadness, anger, jealousy, worry, maybe even regret. There are many feelings that people might refer to as bitter feelings. And like I often remind you, it's okay to feel every kind of feeling, even the bitter ones. We all feel bitter feelings sometimes, but they don't last forever. And when you want to move on from a bitter feeling, it can help to redirect your thoughts to something sweet by thinking positive thoughts. So, back to our cocoa recipe. For step 3, add a little sweetness. We're going to say some positive affirmations to say goodbye to bitter feelings and hello to sweet feelings. I'll say each affirmation twice. Listen the first time, then say it together with me the second time. Here we go. I am full of joy. I am full of joy. I choose to think positive thoughts. I choose to think positive thoughts. I am so proud of who I am. I am so proud of who I am. I am smart, beautiful, and kind. I am smart, beautiful, and kind. I love myself exactly as I am. I love myself exactly as I am. Good things are coming my way. Good things are coming my way. I choose to let go of bitterness. I choose to let go of bitterness. I feel as sweet as sugar. I feel as sweet as sugar. If any of those affirmations stood out to you, feel free to write them down or just store them safely in your mind to say when you need it. If you have an affirmation that is special to you, I would love to hear it. If you'd like to send a recording of your favorite affirmation to play on the show, have a grown-up check our website or episode notes for more information. But right now, we're moving on to step 4 in our mindful cocoa recipe. It's time to heat everything up. So I want you to put your hands together and rub them back and forth against each other like this. As you rub your hands together, you'll create friction and you might start to feel warmth on your hands. As you keep rubbing your hands together, I want you to also focus your mind on warm, happy, loving thoughts. Imagine that warmth growing inside you and filling your whole body with warm feelings. Now imagine a steaming hot mug of cocoa. Picture the steam rising off the top. Think about the smell of the chocolate as you breathe in deep through your nose. Now it's time for the last step. We need to cool the cocoa down to the perfect drinking temperature. So take a deep breath in through your nose, smelling the chocolate, then blow across the hot chocolate to cool it down. Now do that a few more times. Breathe in deep and blow on the hot chocolate. Deep breath in, smelling the cocoa, then blow out as you cool it down. Another deep breath in, and then blow your cool breath on the cocoa. I think it's finally ready to drink. So, imagine raising the mug up to your lips. Take a little sip, and then let out a satisfied, tasty sigh. Feel the warmth spreading down your throat and into your belly. I hope you've enjoyed making mindful hot cocoa with me. You can keep this recipe in your mind anytime you want to make your own. Just melt the chocolate by relaxing your body. Add some milk by stretching out to fill up all the space around you. Add some sweetness by saying positive affirmations. Then warm everything up by rubbing your hands together and imagining the heat spreading through your body. And last of all, take deep breaths to cool off the cocoa or a sip. Feel free to keep taking sips of your imaginary hot chocolate as I end this episode with a song. Come be cozy, head to toesy, feeling safe and warm inside. My heart feels light, my cheeks feel rosy, breathing deep and smiling wide. When I feel I can't control things, when my yes turns into no, when the world seems wild and noisy, and I need some place to go, I can reach inside myself, pull a book down from the shelf, think a thought that makes me grin, and imagine deep within I'm comfy, cozy, head to toesy, feeling safe and warm inside. My heart feels light, my cheeks feel rosy, breathing deep and smiling wide. I can't wait to spend some time together again soon. This was the last episode of our fall and winter season, so we'll be back with a new season of episodes starting in the spring. In the meantime, you can still support the podcast by subscribing through Patreon or Apple Podcasts, which give you access to occasional bonus episodes. Until next time, I like you, I'm proud of you, and I'm glad we are friends. Have a happy and peaceful day.